friends, welcome to Economic and Public Policy Current Affairs Daily Economic Watch. This will be part 4, and one more part will be after this very short series. Thank you so much for listening, and let's continue. The 16th news will be traders had suffered arbitrarily power bills, and this has been alleged rather on Delhi government by the opposition party BJP has said that they had been suffering the citizens, and it has been plunging traders rather and other taxes during the lockdown. So this should be addressed in a proper way by the Delhi government. This has been the stress, and this has been true to a significant sector. The power bills and the amount of the taxes which a state government wants to collect from the revenues, the sources after COVID. That has been a lot of troubles for finances for most of the state government, and this is a semi-state, so union territory rather. So having said that, Delhi government has got its hands tied. So how the things are going to unfold, it will be very interesting to see here, and how the leadership of Arvind Kejriwal tries to address this issue. The next is CDS remarks are unwarranted. This is CPI telling, this is the official position of CPI, and they have written rather a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. The remarks of Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat ji on India, US, Australia, Japan quadrilateral are unwarranted. And whatever the reasons are there, and it will be very interesting to see how the party. But at this point of juncture, the country must be united with China trouble on Eastern Ladakh, and there has been, so country must be unified. But this is again a personal opinion. But how things will unfold, it is going to be very challenging for the upcoming months, upcoming parliamentary session, which how the session is going to unfold. The next news. The next news will be this has been done by Binoy Vishwam. So this is his written letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. And 18th news will be Rajnath Singh is going to meet Iranian Defense Minister Hatima. And this is interesting because he has not came to India directly. He has rather flown to Iran directly from Russia. This is the first visit by any Indian ministers post General Soleimani killings. And we have already talked in earlier lectures. Iran has made two missiles, one on extremist and one on General Soleimani naming, and it is a 1400 kilometers range missile. So how Iran and India comes together, and there has been some uncertainties regarding Gwadar port and about the China Iran relationship. So this is going to be very interesting, and he's going to be defense minister. So it is going to be very crucial for both the countries. How this is going to shape up is going to be unfold in near future. And another news is coming from court orders removal of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's name from civil suit. Actually, this was a local court in Gujarat, and they have directed that the name of Prime Minister Narendra Modi should be deleted from civil suit, and seeking damages for gruesome killings of 4 British citizens during the 2002 Gujarat riots. So this is again in part, this is come as a relief, and the last part, it will be the last part. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.